Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie from your garden. First, select ripe fruits and fresh herbs directly from your garden for the best flavor. Next, prepare your pie crust. A good crust is the foundation of any great pie. Finally, decide on a filling that highlights your garden's bounty, ensuring a delightful homemade dessert. Creating a perfect pie crust is simpler than you think. Start by mixing 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add about 1/2 cup of ice water, just enough to bring the dough together without overworking it. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. Once your crust is ready, roll it out evenly to fit a 9-inch pie dish. Pour in your delicious garden fruit filling, ensuring it's spread uniformly. You can add a top crust or a lattice design for a beautiful finish. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool completely before serving. After all your hard work, the most important step is to let your pie cool completely. This allows the filling to set properly and enhances the flavors. Serve generous slices with a dollop of fresh whipped cream or a scoop of your favorite vanilla ice cream. It's the perfect way to enjoy the fruits of your labor from your garden. Don't forget to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.